Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm discussing about the truck management dispatch system that I've created using HTML and web application. So basically this application is having different functionalities of searching and adding a jobs, adding a trucks, displaying the trucks data and importing and exporting the data for truck dispatching system. So before going into the details, I would like you how this application exactly works. So I have already entered some data and this application is also providing to search different uh, trucks at the same time. So let's say we have a truck number which is in a numeric form right now. So let's say truck 284. Then once I enter the 284, all the jobs related to this truck will get displayed. Now I want to search 627 as well. So I'm just making, just entering that number. And then the dashboard will also gets refreshed. We have 2 trucks, 5 jobs, and 15 loads. So we have on the screen 284 and 627. Now this 284 truck number has the job. This one where we have 8 load, then this one is the pickup address, and then this one is the delivery. This is the status which is showing dispatched. The other one is not dispatched. Here we have the information regarding that truck, and we can copy the text as well. So if I click on this text, we can the text will be copied, and then we can just make the person, we can copy this truck information to that person who is the owner, or maybe we can just send using WhatsApp or email address as well. This one is the information for the other truck, which is 627, which has 3 jobs, 5 loads, and all of the other information is displaying over here. If you can see here, this one is the notes for that truck. This one is the other job. Then this one is the other job. So if we want to search for another one, we can just put the number and all of the truck information will get displayed here. So now this one is the trucks information with their jobs. And to add a job. So before going into the details, first and thing is we need to add the truck as well. So to add a truck, we click on this plus truck button and this form will appear here. We just need to add the truck number. So let's say my truck number is 259 and I'm assigning the status as active. Back to work. Let's say 10th of August. Truck type, maybe I'm just typing as FW truck right now. We can use any information over here. And notes, whatever the notes, I'm not using the notes right now. So whatever the notes you want put here, you can just put over here. Let's say example notes 1. Just for the reference, I'm adding here. And it's saved. Because I selected the dates here. So 256 will be, because we have a lot of trucks over appearing here. So today's is 259, the truck number that is added here. You can filter it off 259 and it will be appearing here. Still we can see all the trucks which are active here. This will, once I click on this active button, you will see all the trucks marked as active. These are the unassigned as trucks, and these one all are the trucks which are not available. but we can edit them and make them active, unassigned, and everything here itself only. So right now, I'm not doing anything here. It just first entry, we need to add the truck. Then we need to add the job for the truck. So I'm clicking on the job button and it's gonna is a not new job. So first we add the date for the job. So I'm adding the today's date and then the customer name, say Arun, material as material 1, pickup, this one is the pickup address. So let's say pickup address 1. Then this one we can call it as deliver address 1, city 1, dump hours, let's say 12 hours. Total loads maybe 3 rate per ton. We can add 4 rates, $4 per ton. The PO number, the dispatch PO, whatever the PO, I will write as PO2, PO1, site contact name and number, let's say Ashish, and contact 89452366 5. And this one is an optional, so it's not mandatory to write these numbers or the map link or the notes. But if we have the information, we can just put over here. Right now, I'm just not adding anything over here. In the notes section, we can just add notes, the notes example, dummy. So I think I added everything. Now I'm just added the job. So 1012 job has been created successfully. And if I go back to that job, will be on the last of it. So the last job I can see here, 1012, and everything has been there. Now against each job I can see we have assignment of trucks. So I click on the assign truck button. Then the latest truck that we have created is 259. And the loads I can see, I can create 2 loads for this one. And up to these rows, whatever the notes we have in the mind, we can just write it. Let's say do first. Status, dispatched, not dispatched, preloaded. So I'm just adding not dispatched right now, and I'm adding to the export. So 1 truck has been added to that job. Going back to that board again. So not dispatched. I can see maybe, yeah, this job 1012 naming Arun is being populating over here. I can search 259. Sorry, not 59. So this is the truck which is not dispatched. So if I click on send, it will be dispatched. So it is marked as dispatched. We can add it anytime on the trucks radar for 259 and it will be edited here. So this is the truck dispatch information. Now if I'm going back to the data, so let's say I want to export or I need the Excel for the jobs dispatch in the trucks. I can just click on the jobs CSV. Sorry, not this one. Let's see. This one. Yeah. So this one is my CSV, which contains all the jobs data. And the last data that the last record that I've created using Arm is showing up here. If I want to see the others as well, let's say I want to see the dispatch, and I can see the dispatch data as well. So these all are the transactions of the job dispatch data, where we have the job number, that associated truck against that job, and the loads as well. And then we have the truck CSV as well. So if I click on the truck CSV, you can see the truck's data as well. Truck status, back to work, type notes. These all are the data records associated with the truck's data. I don't want to do anything with this data. Now here we have one more thing. If we want to download the backup, we can download it. If we want to clear or erase everything, we can just click on these buttons, but we need to make sure we have a data backup as well. So I'm just downloading this JSON right now, so to ensure this data I have the backup. So now I'm getting here on the boards. This is the boards, and whatever the dispatched, not dispatched, preloaded, completed, and canceled. I have every data over here. So I think I have all the information for the truck data here. So if you like this video and if you like this web application, do let me know. And if you need any changes or customizations in this web application, you can reach me out, and I can help you in creating the similar web application for truck dispatch management system. And do let me know if you have any queries. I can be reachable over my email address and my WhatsApp number, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any queries, do let me know. And thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.